Hi, my name is MJ Mullah. I'm taking Cyber 203 Intro to Systems and Security course. This is our first assignment, how to create a virtual machine. In this case, I'm going to create a local virtual machine. So step A, system requirement. I'm going to check system requirement about my PC. So first requirement is it has to be 64. Yes, I have 64 and RAM I have 32. Let's make the requirement and free disk space as like 50 GB I have over that, and administrative replace on host system. Yes, this is my computer. Okay. Now part B, download require software. In this case, I'm going to download two packages. One is VirtualBox platform package, another one is VirtualBox extension package. So how I have downloaded, I have already downloaded this part. So as I'm using Windows operating system, in this case I'm going to choose Windows host, and with the same version of VirtualBox extension package 7.2.6. I'll just accept and download. So I have already downloaded that part. So downloaded software in the download folder. Let's see. So this is my VirtualBox exe file, and this is VirtualBox extension package. So after that, I have downloaded Ubuntu ISO from this website. So I chose Ubuntu 24.0.04.3 LTS. Just I have clicked here and downloaded. So here's my downloaded folder. This is the Ubuntu ISO. This is the three software I have downloaded for this my assignment. So next option is install VirtualBox. To install VirtualBox, again I went to this download folder, and then I just run this exe file and followed the guideline. Accept all the settings, allow network installation driver, and lastly I have done install extension package. So to do that, I have opened my VirtualBox right here. Let me keep it on the side. Alright, so that's it. I'll keep this one. Okay. So to do that, what I have done. So open VirtualBox, then I want to file tools extension, and I added the VirtualBox extension. I just select this one and open this one, and finally VirtualBox extension appear here. When I have done this one, I go to next step. Next step is create a virtual machine. So I open VirtualBox, I hit create, I name here Ubuntu Security Lab, then PM folder, I leave that as default, then I just choose this ISO image. Okay, let me show how I go here. So others, then I just choose ISO image for Ubuntu. Then as default it was Linux was distribution Ubuntu, and I unchecked this one. and it was enabled because the name field is now it's enabled. I click and finish. Then I was struggling to set up this account because when I follow the steps, it directly automatically allow me to log in. So what I have done, I have Googled it and I try to remove the automated login system, and I have added a new user ID and also enable this encryption. So then network configuration, I'm going to show you how I have done this one. So to see the network configuration, this is my Ubuntu Security Lab virtual machine. So to do that, network setting. So let's go to the setting and verify network setting. So I have net attached to net. Okay, looks okay. So advanced, we'll do that the later if needed. Next step, I'm going to verify uh, if the previous configuration worked properly or not. So I need to start this virtual machine. So here's the password. That password. Yeah. Alright, it looks okay. Empty mode now. Okay, so this one looks running. Okay. So what I need to do now, I need to open terminal and I need to type LSB underscore, it's not typing, LSB underscore release .p. So it looks working fine. So and let's see verify IP. Okay. And I can see here loop back IP 127 gigs and device IP. This is the VirtualBox IP address 10.05 2.15. Okay, I can close this one. Now next to create a snapshot. So to create a snapshot, what I have done, I have turned it off first. Power off. Okay. Then I went to snapshot. Then under this one, I create a clean install. Name it clean install here. And let's see the attribute. I'm not creating. So I just type here clean install and I just write a small note for that. Alright, clean install is the snapshot. Okay, clean install, security lab, that's then after clean OS install. Okay, so if I verify that, let's see what is the next step. Next step, I ignore this one. Alright, so as this one is optional, I did not create a Windows virtual machine yet. Hopefully I will do that later. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your time.